How to set up the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra and transfer data from an iPhone over to your new device. So I'm going to turn off the device first. So once you have your phone out of the box, press on the side button here and boot up your phone. If you do have a SIM card, make sure you insert the SIM card into the SIM tray here at the bottom, and then boot up the phone. Shortly, you will see the welcome screen. Okay, here on the welcome screen, go ahead and select a language, then tap on OK. Next, tap on the Start button, then tap on Agree button, and then choose iPhone or iPad. And here's getting the phone ready. This may take a few moments. Here, it will ask you to sign into your Google account. If you already have a Google account, then go ahead and sign in. Otherwise, you can create a new account, or you can simply skip for now and we can sign in later on. So tap on skip. Here I will tap on next. I want to copy data from my iPhone or iPad over to my device. So tap on next. Here we're going to use the USB cable method. So plug the USB cable into the phone and then the other end into your iPhone. Now, depending on which iPhone you have, if you have an older model, then you may need to use a lightning port, lightning cable. Otherwise, I have here is a USB-C port. So just select the right cable for your iPhone model. Next, we're going to down on the iPhone. We're going to go to the App Store. Here, I will try to reconnect my App Store. Next, go down and tap on the search button at the bottom. Then we go to the top and tap on the search text box. In here, type in smart switch and then tap on search. After that, go down and you want to tap on the get button for Samsung smart switch. Now, because I have already installed smart switch on my device, I can simply now just tap on the open button. And here's a connecting to transfer your data. So I need to scan this QR code. So we're just going to wait for the app to load up. On the phone, tap on next button. Now on the iPhone here, it said trust or don't trust. So select trust. Put in your iPhone passcode. And here says check your iPhone. So tap on next. And here says search for data to transfer. Okay, after that, down here, there are different options available for you to transfer the data over. We've got calls and contacts, messages, apps. If you want to transfer everything over, then make sure everything is selected. So you can select the all button at the top here. If you only want to transfer certain items, such as calls, messages, or images only, and you want to reinstall apps individually on your new phone, then you can simply deselect apps. So for me, I will simply select a few items only. I don't want to transfer everything over. It may take a long time. So for ease of demonstration in this video, I will only select images and messages and calls and contacts. Now tap on the transfer button. And now you can see it's transferring. And on my phone, I will trust this device. So I put my phone, and on my Galaxy, it now asks me to set up a screen lock password or PIN or pattern lock or password. So select one of the method and then key in the required passcode. Here I will put in my test passcode as 123456. Once you put in the passcode, tap on the continue button. I will tap on use anyway because they say the passcode are too easy to guess. So tap on OK. Make sure you use a complex passcode, not something that can easily be guessed. Here on the Google services, we tap on more, then tap on more, and then tap on accept. Next, it will ask you to sign into Samsung account. Now again, if you have a Samsung account, please sign in to your Samsung account. using email or phone number. Otherwise, you can sign in with QR code, or you can tap on forget password or don't have an account. Here, if you forgot an ID, you can tap on forgot ID. You can create an account. If you forgot password, then tap on forgot password. I'm going to choose set up later in settings. We can always sign into Samsung account later once the phone has been set up. After that, tap on skip. It said that Samsung account is useful for things like sign to apps with Samsung Pass, track your exercise using Samsung Health, Samsung Cloud, and so on. So I'm going to tap on skip for now. Next, you can read the terms here and choose what you want to receive. So I'm not going to receive, I don't want any news and special offers, so I will deselect that. And then tap on agree. Next, tap on more and then go down and tap on agree. Then tap on next. Here you can choose to show your navigation as buttons or swipe gestures. So select your favorite style and then choose next. Here you can choose to display apps on the home and app screen or simply place everything on the home screen. So select one of the style and then tap on next. Here choose your keyboard layout. So extra keys so you can type more or type without distraction. So select a method and then tap on next. Here choose whether you want to use light theme or dark theme and then tap on next. Okay, so the phone say please wait. So please wait for a few moments for the phone to get ready. Here it says get recommended apps. Apps will be downloaded when you're connected to Wi-Fi. Then tap on next and then tap on home. And that's it. Now, because I have only selected a few items on my iPhone, so the transfer are fairly quick. If you transfer everything over, it can take sometimes maybe several hours, depending on how much data you have. But that's it here on the iPhone. It says all done. So tap on close to close the smart switch. And over here, so I have some photos in here. And if I go to my Galaxy, I want to check to see if everything's transferred over correctly or not. If not, you may need to redo the transfer. So here you can see all the photos has been transferred over. And that's it. So that is how you can set up your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra and transfer all the data from the iPhone over to the Galaxy S25. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, once your phone has been set up, you can swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In here, you can sign to your Samsung account by tapping on that. And if you want to sign to your Google account, you can scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup, and then tap on manage account, and then tap on add account. Here you can tap on add Google account. From there, you can sign to your Google account. So here's the check info, and then simply sign to your Google account from here. Thank you for watching this video.